Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing this little present that my parents got me. So it's supposed to make learning electronics a snap because as you can see you can just snap all the circuits together. So today we're going to be testing this out as well to see if it's really that easy. And it contains these parts and I don't even know what they are. So later I'm just going to be following the instructions and trying out a few of these projects. A few of the over 300 projects here are the radio announcer lie detector, motion detector, and there's also the radio announcer and the automatic street lamp. These are only some of the 300 projects, and today we're going to be testing them out. For this is recommended for ages 8 to 108 years old, and 4 AA batteries are required for you to play with this little toy. I'm going to open it. Let me just slice off the tape. Oh my god, this is huge. Oh, these are the projects, I think. These are all the parts. I think we might have opened it the wrong way, but let's just try and flip it over. See if we can, yeah. Oh my god. These are amazing. Amber, put them back. Amber. So I think this is where we're gonna be placing the circuits onto. So I don't know. It seems to be stuck. Okay, there we go. So I think, let me see. Okay, so now I've finished reading through the instruction manual. So you have to read all these before you start the experiment. I know it might seem like a bit much, but it's not impossible. So you just read through it. Yeah, there's a lot. Like what you can do and what you can't do. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing the first experiment, which is an electric lamp and a switch. Okay. So we're gonna need this little slide switch here. Later we're also gonna be experimenting with this switch to see if it works. We're gonna need this little layer thing, and we're gonna need this little light bulb. Okay, so I already attached the battery case here. So now I'm gonna put this little tree thing here. I need to do this first because when it's attached to the battery, it needs to attach to this so there's a layer. You see there's a layer. Okay, now I'm gonna attach the light. Hope this works. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it works. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the other switch, okay? Gonna take this out and put this little button switch in. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it works. Because it doesn't matter what the switch is, the electricity from this battery will go through here, go through this little attachment and into the light bulb, which makes it light up. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the second experiment. But before we do that, we're gonna show you about this little direct current motor, also known as the DC motor. This thing is also used in our electric toothbrushes and also toy trains or toy cars that run on batteries. So they usually have this motor inside them. In my electric toothbrush, there's a rechargeable battery inside which can power this motor. Okay. Now we're gonna, just now it was electrical energy. You were changing into light energy with that little light bulb. But now we're gonna be changing electrical energy into kinetic or mechanical energy. Okay, so now let's start. This time you can use this switch, but this time I'm gonna use this little button switch. Okay, Amber. First you put this thing here. No, not here. Straight. This line. This way. No, not like this. I show you. This way. Yeah. Yeah, here. Yeah, press hard. Okay, now put this one here. Yeah, put it here. No, not like this. Connect from here to here. No, don't. No, wrong side. Flip it over. Yeah, this. Here. Yeah. Put it. Okay. Yes. Okay, now the last one. This one. Yeah. Click it. Okay, put the propeller. Okay, this one I have to help you put, okay? Okay, put it on. Okay, now press okay, press the button. Hold it, Okay, Amber, let go. Yeah, it flies. So when we press this, the electric current goes from here and powers the motor, which makes the top spin. Wait, okay, Amber, go. And hold it becomes very fast. Amber, let go, and then it flies. So just a really cool contraption, and there are like 305 projects that we can do. So this is extremely simple. The further in you go, the more complicated the projects are gonna get. So let me just show you one of these. There are more like this now, and see, it's extremely complicated the further in you get. And now let's go. Project 3 and Project 4 combined. For Project 3, we can play music. And to reactivate it, just tap. Okay, but now this is Project 4. We're going to say change the volume by adding a resistor inside, which will limit the amount of electric current that passes through. See, so it's softer now. Now I have no idea what happens if we try this one. So I'm just gonna.
What's that?
I don't know. It says 100K, so I'm just gonna do a little experiment to see if it makes a difference. No, it doesn't work with this one. Oh well. We're probably gonna use it some in another place. I wonder if we can use this one. Oh my god.
Are you having fun?
Yar.
What do you think of the board game?
It's like a really cool board game that you can experiment on, like make stuff like this, like a spinning propeller on a musical note. But because the energy is distributed right now, so the thing doesn't spin as fast right now.
Okay.
Wait, now let me try. Is it possible to do this? No, it doesn't. Oh well, if you have this toy, you can experiment with all the 305 projects inside and find one that you actually really like. So you can experiment like me. Wait, I didn't connect this.
Okay, so time to end it.
Bye bye. If you like this video, hope you like and I want you to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.